Here's a quick tip. If you're like me, then you like to collect fabric. But let's face it, fabric is the most expensive part of any sewing project. So I'm always looking for ways to find fabric for cheap. This is one of those ways. Here is some of the fleece that I have in my collection, but if you look closely, you'll see that it's really not bolts of fabric, it's actually throws. I purchased these for $3 at Walmart when they have a sale, and I'm always looking for their sales. You'll find them in the aisles in baskets usually. But these are 50-inch by 60-inch pieces of fabric that you can use for any craft. This is a dog craft. This was going to be the lining of a purse. And I even purchased some solid colors as well. Look for throws as a way to find a variety of fabrics for cheap. If you watched my previous snowman craft, you'll see that for $7.99 I purchased Joann's No Sew Throw, which actually included 2 pieces of fabric, both 48 by 60 inches.
This is my last project, and it is 48 by 60 inches.
Thanks for watching this quick tip. Don't forget to subscribe to Hey Maaa. Bye.
That is okay.